Hello, guys. Welcome to Hug Day India. This is where we talk about things that nobody should ever be talking about. And if you are easily offended, please stop listening right now. Right now. Abhi band karo बहन चोद.
Hug day, India. Hug day, India. Shupa pu 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 way, shupa pu 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 way.
Hey guys, recording this at 5 a.m. in the morning. There's a storm brewing outside. And welcome to episode 5 Micro Penises and How to Make a Woman Like You. Before we begin with usual programming, I'd just like to say that thank you for the way you guys have been receiving this and the way you've reached out. We didn't expect more than 20 people, obviously, to listen to this, but over 500 people, including YouTube and all these audio podcast platforms, have been listening, and it's been really nice to hear back from a lot of you on Instagram and on email. And yeah, we understand that a lot of the stuff that we guys are talking about is not fit for human consumption, and that's why we put a disclaimer at the beginning of every episode. We think that PC culture is bullshit, and we want to come out and talk authentically. And yeah, that's what this podcast is all about. That's why we say if you're easily offended, please leave. A lot of you find it funny. To those of you that do, thank you. We like that you agree that a joke is just a joke and it should be taken as such. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This will also have a part 2 that will come out next Friday, next week. We will be adding a lot of stuff to these episodes as time goes on, ladies and gentlemen. And we hope you continue to enjoy them. Alright, peace out. Okay, gentlemen, now that you are here, as you all know, I recently went through a breakup. And so basically, I'm in the same problem again. How the fuck does a man make a woman like him? So that's what I'm trying to figure out, and I wanted your ideas also, given your experience in the field, negligible as it may be. I wanted to know how to make women like you. First, I'd like your thoughts, and then let's try and see what the internet has to say about this.
Even I am very confused. I know why they dislike me, and so do you.
Yeah,
mean,
I know why they dislike you too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why do they like us is a very confusing question.
What has worked for you guys in the past? Like, how do you approach
lying
them?
about ourselves? that has helped. That has helped.
That seems to work every time.
That has
Just give me a second. Let me write this down.
Lie
about myself. All right.
Yeah.
How?
You ask them about their ex, and then they tell you about their ex that they hate, and then you pretend to be somebody that is
Who's
completely
totally not
opposite from their ex. Yeah, and it has helped me every time because all
So
the exes were
what if she
taller.
says that my ex had a 9-inch penis?
So I
do
tell-
I then go in the opposite direction?
-9.
Yeah.
There's a hole there.
Yeah.
Find
It's
the hole.
located 9 inches within my body.
Then you call for Japani tel, जो न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड होते हैं उसमें.
Or
What is this?
else you love mustard.
Wait a
oil.
second. Japani
What is
tail.
this?
Okay.
Where do you
Japani
get it?
tal,
Where do you
Tal.
get it?
not even tail.
Where do you get it?
In local newspapers.
So you buy it from the local newspaper.
That's where you get the number. You have to call and
Call it.
yeah. they'll
I have
deliver
a
it to your
question. Is this
doorstep.
the same as
Sarson ka tel?
Sande ka tel?
No, Sunday. Oh no.
No, it's different. All right.
Yeah.
The Sanda is not. Its habitat isn't in Japan. I'm guessing.
I guess so.
Okay. All right. So one of my friends that I was talking to, he told me that he's not really a friend anymore for reasons that I'll get into after a few more glasses. But he said that basically you need to treat a woman like shit in order for her to really start liking you.
So how do you practice? How do you practice doing that? So you talk your shit and you pretend it's a girl. Is
No.
that how it works?
Or do you stuff them in the toilet bowl and then try to make them go away?
So you keep flushing.
Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting. So, by shit, it means you treat them really badly, right?
Yeah, I'm assuming the metaphorical meaning would apply here.
Yeah. Right.
I didn't
And-
ask him.
And that has worked for him.
I don't know. The last time I heard of him, he was harassing a woman in Kolkata by banging on her door and crying while he was drunk. So it's hard to tell, basically.
Yeah. So you keep to your list, man.
Yeah.
Jabani tel.
Japani
Yeah.
thing.
Lie to them.
Lie about yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these lies, they like any this thing, or should I just give like random lies? Like, hey, I live in Indirapuram.
No specific
When
lies.
I live in Vaishali.
Yeah.
Will that make her like me?
I suppose. Hey, I have 3 soaps in my bathroom, where you have 4.
Oh, yeah.
Right? It makes you look,
Someone who-
less privileged,
Yeah.
and that really plays with their emotional,
Yeah.
whatever it is that women have, emotional, whatever.
So if you're saying that if I play with their emotional
Whatever they
whatever, I can play with their tits later. Is that?
I, I'm not sure about that, because not all women have tits, right?
Breast cancer women you mean?
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
Otherwise, naturally, also not all women have tits. But like, that's what you also need to do. You have to lower your standard. If there is no tit, there are other things that you can play with.
Sure. Like?
Now I know why we've been asked this question. When the conversation switched to tits in like 2 minutes. Why don't women like me?
Why don't they let me play with their TTs, huh?
TD.
TT. You don't tug on it. You're not trying to milk it. Right?
I don't know, man. I usually am not.
Unless they are pregnant, you're not trying to milk them, right? If they are
But-
pregnant, you gotta use everything available. Why buy milk from the market?
Tie her up outside the house near
Yeah.
the Tulsi plant.
Oh, I heard a
People
woman.
coming with the dabba that you go to.
I heard a
Dabba
woman
that
could
you-
lactate even if she's not pregnant.
They can.
I've heard so.
Why are we not monetizing this shit?
I'm not sure.
Why are we not selling this shit?
Because it's like a fucking disease or something. You don't just lactate, like not every woman
But
does.
it's still drinkable milk, right? It's not toxic or poisonous, right?
Oh, that's
I've never
interesting. Have
tried.
you guys ever tasted mother milk? Like, I know you have as a kid.
Yeah.
When
क्योंकि
you've
तुम
been
लोग
older?
बाहर आ गए क्योंकि तुमने माँ का दूध पिया हुआ है हाँ get it
नहीं।
but हाँ but have you
मतलब-
ever tried it in like after
No,
being conscious
No.
I've heard people, bake pies out of mother's milk.
have you been watching Borat
No. I watched it. I read it somewhere, and then I watched it in a show where they were talking about how there are shops in Europe.
Yeah,
holy
yeah.
shit
Yeah.
There are women who actually sell that shit and
Yeah,
make a
yeah, they
business out
make-
of it.
they
Nimesh,
make
what are you
Read an
Googling?
article on
What are
Lad
you
Bible.
Googling? Oh, okay.
Nemish has only been googling mustard oil, my dick very hot. Very hot. My pee goes zoom.
Women start lactating just looking
But
at me.
coming back to the
Women
question.
start lactating just looking at
Just
you
looking at you.
yeah that's interesting
So basically they get motherly vibes from you.
Yeah.
And then you read them
Ah.
Sigmund Freud.
I make them get motherly vibes.
You that's how you get them to like you.
that's how he makes women first he shits on the floor then he reaches for their boobs and then when they say no he starts crying loudly
Yeah.
nice
Then they got Yeah, but why do they like us?
I think that they have a capacity for pain, which they have. It's scientific. It's like
It's
from
scientific.
childbirth and stuff.
Right?
Yeah.
The childbirth really comes very late in life.
Yeah.
Most of your sexual urges and your preferences have been defined before that. Do you think it's instinctual?
Yeah, I think it's mostly just dicks. I think women need dicks and men have them, and I think that's about it. Like that's how long that goes.
Why do they end up liking you? Man? That's
Because I'm attached to the dick. Is
I thought it was inside of you,
Oh yeah.
inverted.
I'm still attached.
Yeah,
Still
technically.
attached,
Yeah.
technically. Have you ever thought of it that clits are technically tiny dicks?
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought about it more than you would know.
They are tiny dicks
Sometimes
that
when
is-
you're giving a woman pleasure with your hands,
Yeah.
and you're rubbing the clit,
Yeah.
I feel a little gay inside every time I do that.
No, when you're eating her out also, and then you're sucking on the clit softly. So. But whatever, you're sucking on the clit,
Yeah.
and it's technically a tiny dick, so
Yeah.
you can't really say that you haven't sucked or you don't know how to suck on a dick.
Yeah.
It's just the scale has gotten a little bigger, but it's still physically it still feels, and it also has a coating, right? And in in some regions of the world, the clit is also circumcised, right?
Yeah, mutilated.
Mutilated, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in Nigeria and stuff.
Yeah.
Even in some Middle Eastern countries, there are communities in India itself that
The Jats.
no, they circumcise the whole thing only. The head.
Imagine leave. Imagine wanna leave.
Yeah, now I want to stay.
Okay, nice. Micro penis.
Yeah.
Have you guys heard of this term?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm just asking for a friend, how small does a penis have to be for it to be termed a micro penis?
I think there are different.
Micro penises.
No, there are different ways to segregate. There's also you check it with an erection and you check it when you are not erect. When you're flaccid.
Yeah.
So you have to check the length. You have to stretch it or something. That's how you check it, right?
Micro, mini,
Micro, mini,
medium, large.
XL, double XL, gold.
Premium, platinum.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Micro penis, huh? I did know a guy who had a micro penis.
How-
And like he had to come out. I mean, after a very long time, like I'd known him for 3-4 years,
Hmm.
and we were in school together, and then we graduated from school. I was in college, and then I met him suddenly,
Yeah.
and he starts to cry. He's like, "Dude, I never knew this until I was with a woman. That I have a micro penis."
He thought that's how big penises are.
Yeah, she went, "What is that?" But that's also very insensitive, telling a guy that, "What the fuck are you carrying?"
Yeah,
I'm sure
obviously.
you would be surprised seeing a micro penis when you're seeing all average ones.
Yeah.
But then there's a certain way to handle that shit, right?
This guy didn't watch porn all his life. Do
No,
not
but
know how big.
Everybody tells you that porn is exaggerated, right?
Oh. He really believed it.
Yeah. Too much to be honest. But yeah, so he told me that he has a micro penis and he started to cry. And how do you console somebody who's crying about having a micro penis?
कोई बात नहीं बेटा complain
कोई नहीं बेटा. Too late for complaint.
Yeah. Obviously.
People who have micro penises, do you think you could encourage them to start cross dressing and pretend that it's a clit?
Yeah.
Fucker! Holy shit.
It'd be easier for some people than other people, I imagine.
I'm
Yeah.
sure about that.
But their egos are already hurt enough
Yeah.
to not
But like,
ask them to
if they like it,
wear a frock.
I mean, he's saying that you should suggest that they try.
Yeah.
If you can try it, but changing your gender or your sex, getting a sex operation based on having a micro penis, is a little too much. Yeah, but in this world where we consume a lot of pornography and we see gigantic penises all the fucking time, and then all of a sudden a woman is with you and she goes, "I don't expect a porn star dick, but at least have something." Right? Isn't that a time where you contemplate whether this is a decision that you want to carry in your life, right? Having this thing that every woman is gonna be surprised.
Oh, but
of.
there's one advantage to it that I could think of, but only one, I
Yeah.
guess.
Ooh,
If a girl is with you
Yeah.
and you have a micro penis and she stays with you, then you can know for certain that this girl loves you. This is
But-
probably the only advantage.
What if that guy also has a lot of money?
Interesting, tricky.
Interesting.
But still, even if you have a lot of money, I don't
Also,
think...
if you get a hard on in public, nobody's gonna know.
What? With a micro penis? Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Plus.
Any other advantages you could think of?
Having a micro penis, it doesn't shrink or expand based on the weather.
But how does it even matter?
Yeah, I mean,
I've always found that because I obviously have a very large
Oh, yeah.
penis. Like it's 10.8 inches when
Flaccid.
flaccid. Yeah. So I very often have a problem. बचपन में सब मेरे को बोलते हैं अबे तू गधा है क्या and
Because of the
later
dick.
I realized why.
Why?
So
why have you
basically,
been looking at Gadek dicks to know that particular?
hey, I thought that I had a serious problem. Okay, I had to use the internet to find out exactly what's happening. So one more advantage that I thought of, it's not really an advantage, but there's a way we can really reduce the misery of people. Now I don't know if you guys have heard of this. There's a disease called vaginismus.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all know how
Yeah,
we know that.
yeah.
So
Why do we all know that?
Yeah.
I've actually been with a woman who had.
Is it the same woman? No, all right. Vaginismus
large
is basically when a woman cannot bear penetration.
Yeah.
So
They have a vagina that doesn't stretch too much. Like,
oh.
yeah, that's why it hurts too much.
Yeah.
Wax laga ke. No, but for women like that,
Yeah.
a guy with a micro penis would be
Brilliant.
amazing.
Oh yeah.
That's the only way.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
But
I-
finding two people.
so that's
Both
what I'm
of them
coming
would
to.
just
This is
rub each
actually a
other.
app idea.
Oh,
It's
nice.
like women with like vaginismus
Yeah.
and guys with micro penises.
Come
We
together.
match them together so
Uh-huh.
that they can literally come together.
We could name the app Come Together.
Oh my god,
You know?
that's amazing. I also love the Beatles, so
Yeah.
that's perfect. Yeah.
CUM Together.
CUM2, the number 2.
Yeah. Gather.
Gather. Oh wow.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, holy shit, that's a.
But that could also be like sluts could think that that's an app for them.
What do you mean
It's
by
like there's
slut?
come to gather.
That could also be the motto of an orgy. Orgy.
A Tinder
Why did I say
for
orgy?
couples who have vaginismus and micro penises.
Yes.
Tiny der.
Yeah.
Tiny der.
That's actually pretty smart.
Can you think of a wordplay around na ghusana?
कौन है
Mm.
No, but doesn't mean.
Hey, so if you like the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this with your harami friends. Clearly, this is not for everyone. If you know someone who would enjoy something like this, please share this video with them. And we can help spread the joy or the stupidity or whatever. But anyway, please share and stuff.